Number 11. Surprise, surprise. We have a ladder. So I'm going to draw my ladder. Getting a little tired of drawing these ladders. And another surprise. Guess what it's leaning up against? It's leaning against a building. Yay. Let me guess. It's going to hit the top of the ladder. They're either going to want me to find how much the ladder is or how tall the building is, or maybe they tell me both how tall the ladder is and how tall the building is, and they want me to find the angle. I don't know. Let's just keep on reading. All I know is the ground is here. So now they say, the top of the building, the top of the ladder touches the building 10 feet from the ground. That's just a fancy way to say, hey, the height of the building is 10. They tell me that the foot of the ladder, okay, so the ladder has a top and it's also got a bottom, or what they call it, the foot, meaning where your feet go first on the ground. The foot of the ladder is 4 feet from the building. So from the foot of the ladder to the building, that distance is 4 feet. Let me do that in the black. 4 feet. Here we go. They want us to find, to the nearest degree, that's a whole number, the angle that the ladder makes with the ground. So we want to know that angle there. This is inverse trig. And I need the trig function that's going to use the opposite and the adjacent, because my hypotenuse is not used. That is the inverse tangent function, and it will be 10 over 4, because my opposite divided by adjacent is 10 over 4. So if I type that into the calculator, that's going to tell me my angle of elevation, or in other words, the angle that the ladder makes with the ground. And that's about 68.19. If I'm rounding to the nearest degree, that 0.1 is not enough to force that to 69. So x equals 68 degrees.